Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rename a plan here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Renaming a plan here in Microsoft Planner is a simple process that can be beneficial, especially when team dynamics or project scopes shifted. All right, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the plan that you wanted to rename. For example, this one right here. There are two ways, actually, there are three ways for you to do it. Number one is you might want to click the three dots icon here that says more options. If you click on it, there's going to be an option that says rename. All I have to do now is simply rename the plan that you wanted, and the changes will take effect very quickly. All right, number two option is just click on the plan. What will happen is it would be forwarded here. All right, and there's going to be an option here that says plan a name, for example Deep Labs. And all I have to do now is basically click on close. When you rename a plan, it also updates the name of the associated Microsoft 365 group. With this change will reflect across all other connected apps such as an Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint. All right, and again, once you've entered the new name, close the settings menu. Your changes should save automatically, and the plan will now display the updated name. All right. Of course, if if you're having problems renaming here, right here in this section, you might want to consult the Microsoft customer service support. Tell them you're having problems renaming your plan here. There could be a situation where there's going to be a glitch or a troubleshooting error, so they would give you insights on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.